Hey, let me show you one of my favorite floor plan in this building, the B plan, the 2-bedroom, 757. I think it's perfect for self-living and for renting. As you can see, first of all, they have a French door, double door, fridge by Fish and Paykel. They have Bosch appliances, a cooktop, oven, and a dishwasher as well. For their sink, it's a double sink for dry and wet. Like me, like washing dishes by hand, so I love those. They have a kitchen island as well with waterfall design. The ceiling is 9 feet tall ceiling. This is one of the guest bedrooms. You see they have very deep closet with a queen bed. You can easily put 2 nightstands, won't feel too crowded. It's also linked to your balcony as well, almost added the space. They have floor to ceiling type of window, give you enough sun exposure. Now let's take a look at the primary bedroom. The primary bedroom comes with a kind of a walk-in closet. Look how nice that is. And inside you have a master bathroom with medicine cabinet, easy to put your makeup, skincare stuff in here. Never fight with your wife.